Look at that water coming out. Stays like this when I'm really glad I do not own my home. Landlord's coming over. Woke up to this noise, thought maybe stuff was like, oh my gosh, look at that. That's a lot. Thought maybe stuff was melting outside. I'm like, whoa, it's coming from the closet. Yeah, really glad I can just call the landlord. Dang. Nice. There was a little packet in there, but it was wet, so I took it out. So anyway, that's what's up. Like the dead moth. Should I clean it up before he gets over here real quick? I really like to watch this part. It's great. Can you see the steam coming up? I can. Wait, maybe I've had the door open too long. Okay, I'm gonna get off, clean up the moth. Get the dead moth body out of the closet.